Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing Outlier's new submarine flat bill cap. I actually have their regular cap right now, but I always wore flat bill caps, so I wanted to get that instead. So here's the package. It's freaking huge for a hat. So we're gonna take a quick look at it. Ooh. Usual suspects inside the hat box. Invoice, note from Outlier, and here's the hat. Alright, so out of packaging, it's similar. It has a similar problem to the other ones I got. There's like white streaks and everything, maybe because of the DWR coating and how it gets shipped really flat, so the creases do that, but immediately if you just brush it off, it comes off. Now, let's do a quick comparison of the two hats. This one I've had for just a few months. This is new. The black looks a little darker on the flat bill hat. That could just be because of age. To my eye, they almost look identical. The fabric is identical. The buckle system's identical. Almost everything looks identical except the bill. This is the bill on the new one. Nice and flat. This one has the Predator curve, I call it. Makes you look like that guy the neighborhood watch has to look out for, you know, when you're wearing all black. This one seems a little more casual. Let's see. Oh, the fit is a little different because of how the bill's shaped too. It's a little less comfortable, I feel. It might be because I didn't adjust it to size, but let's see. Oh yeah, I like this look a lot better, but it is actually a little less comfortable just because of how the bill is shaped. That's super interesting. I did not expect that. Overall, I'm sure I'll love this hat. It still looks great, but it is a lot less comfortable than this cap. I'm very surprised. This hat feels like the curve puts a little less stress onto the front of the hat. So when you're wearing it, it's more comfortable overall than when this one, where the front of the hat has the material pulling on it because it's flat. It's actually less comfortable, but I feel like it looks better. So it's up to you. Purchase this hat on Outlier. I'll link it down below. The black ones are all sold out. I think the flat bill still has black available, but they do restock them every now and then, so be sure to check back on their website to see if it is still available. And thank you for watching this video. See you guys next time.